We can see the slime gently, it drips like water. But if you punch it with a fist, your hand bounces right off. It is strange to see one material act like a runny liquid and a hard solid at the same time. Usually, matter follows strict rules. A solid, like a wooden block, keeps its shape no matter where you put it. A liquid, like juice, flows and spreads out until it fills the shape of its container. Slime is what scientists call non-Newtonian. It ignores the classical rules of physics by changing its behavior based on how you touch it. To understand why this goo reacts this way, we have to look past the surface. We can see the true cause of this behavior by looking at the slime on a microscopic level. Inside the mixture are long, stretchy chains called polymers. Right now, they are all tangled together like a messy web of noodles. When you apply gentle pressure, those tangled chains have enough time to slide past one another. Because the chains can glide, the entire mixture flows just like a liquid. But if you hit the slime fast, the chains do not have time to slide. Instead, they jam and lock together into a stiff wall. That sudden lockup makes the goo feel firm and solid to your hand. Slime is not a magic trick. Its identity changes based on the mechanical reaction of polymer chains to the speed of force. Slime is very social, you know. It always wants to stick with its friends. You can see this same physics by mixing cornstarch and water. This creates oobleck, a weird substance named after a famous Dr. Seuss book. If you fill a pool with oobleck, you can actually run across the surface. Your fast steps keep the material stiff, but if you stop moving, you will sink right in. You can see this exact same physics in a standard bottle of ketchup. Ketchup has the opposite reaction. It stays thick when the bottle is still, but shaking or squeezing it turns it into a runny liquid so it can pour. Non-Newtonian physics are at work all around us, from massive science fair pools to the dinner table. Let's test what you have learned. Does slime act like a liquid when you touch it slowly or fast? Slowly. What is the scientific name for those long, tangled chains inside? Polymers. What is the name of the cornstarch and water mix? Oobleck. Remember, when you apply force slowly, the chains slide and the slime flows. When you apply force fast, the chains lock and the slime stiffens. You can test this at home by mixing 1 cup of cornstarch with half a cup of water. Try poking the mixture as fast as you can, then watch your fingers sink in when you move slow. Subscribe to the channel to join us for our next scientific exploration. The best way to understand physics is to get your hands messy and test the boundaries of reality yourself.